Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of LyubakaVideo. My name is Lubo and you're watching an unboxing. I finally got my first one-weight fly rod and fly reel. So let's see. First things first, this is the fly rod. Comes with this neat package. The brand is Aventik. There's this pretty sturdy carry case, and let's see what's inside. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. Check this out. So this is the LW 0 to 1 weight 4-section rod. It has a very nice smooth feel to the reel seat. There's section number 2, and quality rods usually have these little dots to a point where you need to attach them, and also greasy nose guys know why we do that. This way it's easier to take it off after. So this is the second section in. Section number 3, a little nose grease. This is the top tip. Let's get a little bit more of the nose grease. Shout out to my friends Frank and Guido, the Bohemian brothers. They taught me a lot of neat tricks. So again, this is the carry case. Beautiful built. I'll set it down here. And this is the Aventik all times 4-piece 0 to 1 weight fly rod. I am actually really impressed. It's really good quality, and I'll tell you how I got it for free. I haven't checked my Amazon associate earnings for over a year, and I decided to go in and check it. I had like over 250 bucks, for which I thank you guys for using my links to shop from Amazon.com shop LyubakaVideo. Every little bit helps. So I managed to order myself my first one-weight rod. So the rod is ready. I'll set it up here. Let's jump to the reel. So this is the one-weight reel from Angler's Dream. Not this Angler's Dream, the other one. And let's hope I can open it nice and easy. Very good sturdy packaging. They came really fast. They're from the Amazon fulfillment, so I guess these guys are doing a good job. If Amazon keeps them, don't do what I'll do. I'm just too excited to open this up. Alright, so top of the box, 50-yard Angler's Dream Osprey backing. This is fly line backing. They've included a leader. This one is a 12-foot 7X tippet, and this is the loop connector. This is the actual second loop connector. This one is rated at 30 pounds. The first one was rated at 30 pounds as well. So far, really impressive. I've never held floating line in one weight. Look at this thing. Unreal. It's as thin as probably 20-pound braid. Unbelievable. And this is the fly reel, guys. So this one is called just a 70 millimeter. 70 millimeters, for those wondering, is about 3 inches. This is the reel. This is as a background, this is my hand. So this is the size of the reel. Let's throw in on the rod, see what it looks like assembled. Alright, and that's it. Now I'm not sure this is gonna be a sturdy enough assembly, just like so. So I'll probably need to throw in an extra ring to hold it in place. But so far so good. Got a nice click. Okay. So far so good. I'll throw on some line and I'll get back to you to see what it looks like then. And my hope is to catch as many species as possible on the one weight, because that's been a dream of mine. So stay tuned and thank you for watching LyubakaVideo.